Well, you know about the battle of the flesh. The things of this world really lead you to death. You know that you're blessed, your life's in a mess. You gotta hold on if you're passing a test. You gotta be a servant if you wanna be a boss. You're holding on to sin, drop it like it's hot. There's times that I thought I was taking a loss. I still rise again, cause he did it on the cross. He did it for the, and he didn't need a manual. When the lights come, I'm feeling like I'm Daniel. I'm feeling like I'm Samson, like I'm David. Sword to the spirit, I'm aiming for Satan. God save me, and he saved you too. About time you started living in your truth. I'm keeping my faith, I'm making a move. The old's passed away, it's time for the new, yo. So Jesus died for me and yeah. And when the trumpets out, we don't get no second chance. You ain't bulletproof, living for the world, oh my God. What you gonna choose? See, 2021, I thought I was gonna die. And 2022, I saw it went my time. Now 2023, I started shining bright. 2020, I really boogie in the point. Let me hear you. Jesus died for me and yeah. So Jesus died for me and yeah. Tell your friend. So Jesus died for me and yeah. So Jesus died for me and yeah. Yeah, he died for you. 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 So Jesus died for me and yeah, he died for you. And when the trumpet sounds, what you gonna do?